Well, friends, we listened to you and we created this Boolean Algebra and Truth Table app for you, and it will do wonders for you. Let me walk you through the app. Press menu as always, and here you have an outline of what the app can do, and let me go through it step by step. Of course, you can read about all the laws and logic as a reference. But of course, most importantly, you can use a calculator to actually execute the laws. For example, the DeMorgan Laws, right? You enter true or false, and then it will tell you right then and there, will execute the DeMorgan Laws for you. Okay, again, if you change your input, you will, of course, then immediately change the output. Let's do another one that everybody can follow. If A is true and B is false, then A and B is also false. If, however, they're both true, then A and B is also true. And in that way, you can do all the other options here to perform Boolean algebra. Truth tables. Okay, truth tables are a lot of fun, and the good news are you can not only look up truth table properties, but you can do them. Okay, so let's do it. We're going to have P and Q here. So if you have OR, then in the last column you will get the outcome that you enter. Okay, if you do P and Q, then obviously the truth table looks differently. And you can be fancy. You can say not P or Q and get your correct truth table. Or you can do not P X or Q and you get your correct truth table. This is here for 2 inputs, but of course you can do the same also for 3 inputs. Works the same way, always correct. Very handy to use. Additionally, we also have bitwise and NAND and OR and XOR, etc. We have number-based conversions and set theory information. So you will enjoy this app. I also want to leave you with the other tabs where you can see what all this means in circuits. The 0, 0 is off as gates. You can see what an AND gate looks like, corresponding truth table here on the right side. So this is a very informative, helpful app. This is your OR gate with the OR truth table and all the laws of addition and multiplication. And here, lastly, again, the Boolean expression and the equivalent switching circuit, what it looks like and what the name is, etc. So this app is very comprehensive, useful, and you will enjoy using it. Thanks for watching. Visit us, TiNspireApps.com. Bye-bye.